Welcome to Scholars Tutorial. Today we'll learn all about pronouns. So, what exactly is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that stands in place of a noun or noun phrase, helping avoid repeating the same noun again and again. For example, he, she, it, they, and we are all pronouns. There are many types of pronouns: personal, possessive, demonstrative, interrogative, relative, reflexive, and reciprocal pronouns. Let's go through each one with an example. Let's start with personal pronouns. Personal pronouns replace specific people or things, like I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. For example, I am happy. Here, I is the personal pronoun. Another example, she is reading. Here, she is the personal pronoun. Next, possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show ownership, like mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. For example, this bag is mine. Here, mine is the possessive pronoun. Another example, it is their book. Here, theirs is the possessive pronoun. Moving on, demonstrative pronouns point to specific things, like this, that, these, and those. For example, this is good. Here, this is the demonstrative pronoun. Another example, those are cakes. Here, those is the demonstrative pronoun. Next, interrogative pronouns ask questions, like who, whom, which, and what. For example, who is there? Here, who is interrogative pronoun. Another example, which one do you want? Here, which is interrogative pronoun. Now, let's talk about relative pronouns. Relative pronouns connect parts of sentences, like who, whom, which, and that. For example, the boy who won is happy. Here, who is relative pronoun. Finally, let's look at reflexive and reciprocal pronouns. Reflexive pronouns refer back to the subject, like myself, himself, themselves. For example, she hurt herself. Here, herself is a reflexive pronoun. Reciprocal pronouns show mutual action, like each other. For example, they helped each other. Here, each other is a reciprocal pronouns. So remember, pronouns replace nouns to make sentences shorter and smoother. And there are many types like personal, possessive, demonstrative, interrogative, and relative. With Scholars Tutorial, grammar becomes easy and clear. Subscribe and follow Scholars Tutorial for clear, exam-focused 11+ support. Ace your academics with Shruti.ai. It's free.